007, the code name reserved for MI6 best agent. Once again, the agency is in the search to find the best candidate. Congratulations for being chosen to be the next 007.
Thank you for choosing me. I will do my best.
We are here today,
not to mourn death, but to celebrate life.
we must continue his legacy by keeping the 007 program alive for generations to come.
Hello?
Bond, we have a big problem. The 007 program has been leaked in the web. That means every Bond still alive is a target. Find any former agent still alive to work with them to find who is responsible.
So we have to work together. If we don't, and I fail, this could be the end of the 007 program.
Catalogue everything Luther ever did. Every lie he told, every law he broke, everything.
My name's Bond. James Bond.